Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your December love and work forecast for Capricorn. So, yes, this is for your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn. If you know a Capricorn person, you can cross watch it for them, friends, and make sure to subscribe our channel so you can win a free reading at the end of this month. One lucky subscriber will be selected for this winning a free reading if you subscribe, like, and share. And join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com. So let's see, Capricorns, what is the theme of this month for you? The World and the Seven of Wands. Very interesting. The Empress and Two of Swords. I do see that you are fighting to this December is your time to make your dreams come true. Yes, you are working hard in December, friends, Capricorns, to make your dreams come true. You are this Empress, ready to give birth, ready to take charge of your life. I do see you're very close to achieving a goal or a dream in December, so get ready. Yes, big changes are coming your way in December. Big success, global success. I also see some of you, making plans, long-term plans, making plans of traveling, shifting, relocating, buying a house, renovating, all those things. Also, you are starting your own business, or also fertility is very high in December for you. Family planning, expansion, all those things. I also feel that, Capricorns, you are coming out of some inner conflict or confusions this month. So, some things which were confusing to you will become clear now, and some doors will open, some opportunities will come your way. You are very lucky, Capricorns, this month, I feel, and you can enjoy this month because you are leading your very, very powerful Capricorn. So, get ready. Let's see your love life, Capricorns. Wow, Two of Cups, the Knight of Pentacles. This is interesting. The Queen of Swords, Capricorns. And who? Ace of Cups, Two of Cups. Very brilliant. It can't get better. The Ace of Swords, the Ten of Swords. And the Wheel of Fortune, the Five of Cups. Capricorns, what's going to happen for you in December? Okay, big month, big changes are happening for you, Capricorns. Get ready for Capricorns, their love life. Who? The Moon, the Queen of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, and the Four of Cups. Wow, you start the month feeling a lot of self-love, Capricorns. Look at that. The Ace of Cups, someone is falling in love with you. It could be a renewal of a connection, or it could be a new connection coming your way, Capricorns. Congratulations. I also see there is a soulmate union happening for you. Look at that. This is beautiful. A soulmate union is happening for you, Capricorns. Congratulations. And this is beautiful. You're going to fall in love. Someone, I do see a spiritual union, or, meeting of the souls is happening for you at the start of December. And it could be you meet someone online. This could be someone new, or this could be a connection that's coming back to you. Soulmate that is you lost, it's coming back. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, this person could be. I also feel that in the second week, things will be like, you will talk about why things ended in this connection, or, you will talk about your past in this connection, and you will come out of it. Something from the past. If you were in long distance, you will be able to come out of it. If there were challenges in your connection, Capricorns, you will be able to come out of it, and a new start is definitely guaranteed for you in the second week of December. I do see you are missing each other, and there is a lot of love on both the sides, but yes, you will be able to bridge this distance, this gap, everything, and positivities will be there, communications. Maybe you want someone to take a bold move towards you, and yes, they will take that. And the mid Let's see the mid of the month for you, Capricorns. Wow. I do see that, some excitement is going to happen in the mid of the month. It is a very, it is an exciting time. A lot is happening mid of the December for you. There might be a difference of opinion between you and this person, and, you may feel a lot of emotions, confusions, or your person may feel a lot of those things. I do see that there might be, you or your person might need to end something from the past to be with you completely and freely. I do see it will happen. Your wishes will come true in the mid of December, Capricorns, yes. And I do see this connection getting better, but something will need to shift or end, especially your person needs to release something from the past. Maybe they are confused about two lovers, or maybe they are confused about expanding the family or not to expand. So that needs to shift, and once they do that, things will get better. Excitement and passions will be high. I do see a new lover also saying hello to you in the mid of month, Aries, Leo, Sag person. So get ready, a lot is happening in the mid of December. And the end of December, ooh, there's a lot of chemistry, there is a lot of emotional intensity. I do see your person is going to realize your value, your worth, and they are going to make you very, very happy by choosing you, and also by making things in this connection better. So congratulations, and a lot of emotions and depth of emotions are expressed between you and your person, and there is a lot on each of you, for both of you to say and discuss. It's a great month for you in love, I do see that. Let's see your advice for December. Temptation, the devil, the waiting game. Wow, choose wisely. Oh, I do see, Capricorns, you might have some choices this month, if you might have some choice. There are a lot of lovers coming your way, temptation, or your person might have some temptation, some persons from past knocking their door. So make some uh, choose wisely, don't give in to your temptations, choose wisely. I also feel waiting game. Yeah, life is like a waiting game this month. Some things you have to wait for other things they will come your way, so you have to choose, which one to go for and which not. Choices, decisions are there. Choose wisely. Take your time in making your choices this month. Material and spiritual prosperity is coming for you, Capricorns. Yes, things, it depends on what you choose, which person, or how you choose to be in your relationships. That will give you love, that will bring you success. And look at that, the shadow, the moon. Wow, again you have the moon. The emotions are very high for you, Capricorns, and you need to be patient with how, if you make an emotional decision, you may regret it later. So take your time making your decisions. Things are not clear. You may react in anger, but that won't bring, or maybe your person is reacting in anger. So don't take it too hard. Let's see your work and career. That's what you want to know, Capricorns, isn't it? I know you love your work. Wow, the Tower, the Four of Swords, the Three of Cups, and the Three of Pentacles. So yes, you are going to shake your something, yeah, you are very, very dangerous, Capricorns. Look at that, the old is shaking. You will shake your structures, you will shake your career. Why? Because you are tired. You are trying to manifest something in your work, your career, your finances, your education. So you might actually end a job, leave a job, or leave a career, or you might just, or some shakeups might happen, sudden things might happen. Why? Because you are manifesting a new job, or a new career, or a new business, or new education. So get ready, be careful in what you are manifesting, Capricorns. You will actually get it, so be careful. And I do see Four of Swords. Be patient, friends. Get ready to work. This is a busy month for you. Things will happen quickly. So get ready to work. Ask for help from others. There are people who can help you out in your work and career. Joint studies, group studies will be helpful for you. I also see some exam dates which were postponed may happen now. In suddenly out of the blue, you are like, who? Tomorrow is your exam. You were not told. Get ready, be prepared. I'm telling you now. If you're expecting exams in January, they might happen in December, and you are like, what? Yes, friends, so get ready, start preparing, be careful in what you are manifesting. Three of Cups, something will happen which will bring you happiness. I think money is coming your way. So, or new clients for your business, new, happiness is coming. Some celebrations in your work and finances are coming. So, you are lucky. Just be patient. Just be patient. You are very close to achieving your goal. Don't just give up right before your dreams comes true. So, yeah, and be careful in trusting your friends this month because I do see some gossip happening, Capricorn. So, let's see advice for Capricorns. Wow, new beginnings. See, in your job, you're going to start something that your heart is set on. And intuition, listen to your intuition, friends. One more card fell out, victory and success. Let's see. So, see, new beginnings are coming for you. Yes, it is your time for a new start. You are working, you are this empress, you are laying a lot of plans, long term plans, and that's what you want. You are starting something which your heart and your passion is set on. Follow your heart, you will never go wrong, and follow your intuition. Things are, you know, you will know when to act and when to stay quiet, and success is coming. Victory will absolutely be yours. Number 6, and look at the numbers 0, 2, 4, 6. Wow, they are all even numbers. Congrats. So everything is happening in a cyclic way. I see traveling, I see you shifting home, I see you relocating, I see you decorating a home or moving or upgrading your home, your offices. Yes, lots is happening. Let's see. November is important for you. Younger man, dealings or relationships with a younger man, a young person is important. Moon, changes in your life. You can't see something will shift in your life, but it is going to, and you can feel it because of your intuition. Veds, I do see there are people gossiping about you, Capricorns. Stay careful. Man, dealings or relationships with a man. It could be at work, it could be at your family or relationships. Marriage is on your mind, in your talks. It is affecting your relationships, even childbirth, family expansion, fertility, teapot. Deep friendships with someone of the same sex. Yes, friendships are coming, new friendships and important friendships are coming. Rooster, an arrogant boastful person you should not cross. Someone is not behaving rightly in your love life. You might get upset about that. July is also important. July, November. Scales, keep your life in balance. Ring, wow, a marriage is really important. Talks about marriage, talks about commitment. A marriage will take place, either romantic or business one. This is beautiful. Wine, seek out information that will help you. I do see you should listen to your intuition. This wine makes me feel like people will tell you a lot of things. They will give you a lot of ideas about work, but listen to your intuition. And Pig, be aware of greed. Don't be greedy, friends, this month. It might go against you, Capricorns. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye.